What's up, everybody? Tonight I have something new. New Buncha Crunch snack mix. It says salt, sweet and salty. And see who it is from. Who is this brand? It is Nestle. Right there, you guys. It's Nestle. I got a pretty poor lighting, huh? Anyways, it says supporting farmers for better chocolate. And it has all of what they all are on the front there. It says we have peanuts, Buncha Crunch, Toll House Premier White Morsels, and what else do we have? Chocolate chip cookies. And it's new. These are approximately, I think, I want to say about, well, I know how much they were. They were $1. We got them from the Dollar Tree. So let's show what we got here. Here's a little chocolate chip cookie. It's crunchy. There's the Buncha Crunch. Mm.
I was gonna rinse out my bowl.
Go ahead, I'll lay it behind me.
Doing a video.
Lots of Buncha Crunches. There's one of the little white chocolate chips. We'll put it on top of there. See? And a peanut. Mmm. Them are good. I really like them. It's a sweet and salty mix. Right, everybody. See all the different things in there? Lots of good stuff. We got peanuts, cookies, Buncha Crunches, little white morsels, and peanuts. And I'm going to eat all of it that I just showed you there, all in one shot. Mmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Want to try it?
Yeah, I'll take a few. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Well, you guys, I really like these. They're really good. I'll show the nutritional information and the ingredients and all that. I'll put a pop-up over here and down here are those two things. Because it's really hard to read these small labels. It'd be harder to even hold it up. It says no artificial flavors or color. What do you think?
Pretty good.
It is really good stuff. We don't do candy reviews very often anymore. But when we do, it's usually something pretty good. See, there's a little bunch of crunches. We'll break it in half. See what's inside of it. Just chocolate. Mm-hmm. We got grape Kool-Aid tonight. Mm-hmm. Well, the Nestle Buncha Crunch from the Dollar Tree for $1. That's a net 2.5 ounce package. I would rate it a 4.5 out of 5.
I'd say about a 4.
About a 4, says Rachel. The good stuff. See all that yumminess. Good stuff. There you have it, everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this little video. We're currently without Wi-Fi or phone service, so this video and a few others are probably going to be uploaded while I'm at work. And I'm not going to really do a whole lot in the way of editing because all I have is my phone. So, that's it, guys. Take care. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Peace, guys. Bye-bye.